Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack someone else's lower back with 3 simple steps. The first step is to have the person lie on their side. Second step is to pull the arm so their chest is open up to the sky. Third step is to create leverage. You place your hand on the top shoulder and the other hand on the top butt cheeks and you twist and thrust. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor, and smash that like button.